So G Squad, I know y'all sitting there wondering between the title and the thumbnail, why didn't I post this video when I actually made the Dodge Demon videos? The reason why is because my lawyer told me not to post these videos until the whole Phoenix police and all that situation was taken care of and is done. And it is officially done and taken care of. And in the next video, I will tell y'all everything that happened and how it took place. But for this video right here, go ahead and enjoy this demon content. But before y'all actually, you know, get to laughing at me for having PTSD from that Phoenix DPS state trooper or highway state trooper, this is my humble abode for those who are new to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up, dude, and then don't skip no ads. I would greatly appreciate it, man. But this is the update that y'all have been asking for as far as, you know, the whole Phoenix situation and everything like that, and that is the matching building as well. Damn, that thing is high. But like I said, this is the video that y'all have been waiting for a long time. Y'all been asking me, I've been seeing it in the comments of all my videos. Y'all have been wanting to know an update on what was happening with this whole Phoenix situation. And pretty much in a nutshell, I'm gonna tell y'all in the next video, like I mentioned, but they pretty much just kept getting, continuouses over and over and over again because they knew I didn't do no aggressive driving or no wild shit like that. Yes, I didn't use my blinker, but like I said, man, just stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna break it all down for y'all in there, and y'all gonna find out how this whole thing came to an end, all right? Enjoy the video.
Go down and just do a little spin if you want.
I ain't trying to go to jail, brother. I don't want to.
Just a little turn around and come back. No, I'm just messing with you.
Like, yeah, there's a cop right there too, pulling up on your right. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hell no, damn.
Oh, he about to stop you, too.
Damn.
Yeah. Told you.
Damn, see? Oh, shit. Here we go. Think you gonna be on bullshit, big, go to jail type shit?
Nah.
All right.
He didn't see you do a burnout or nothing, right?
No, hell no.
He's coming right here.
Here you go.
How you doing?
You me there to the car?
Yeah.
FP96, 95.
Wow, that was cool.
How you doing, officer?
Good, how are you?
My bad, man.
Do you have a license?
Oh, yeah, I do.
He said insurance?
Yeah, insurance.
The actual cab, too?
I'm sorry, it's his car.
Oh, okay. It's a little show car we got going on. Oh, cool. So, you know why I pulled you over?
Make a lot of noise.
No. That U-turn did way back there, it's a no U-turn. And secondly, I figured you probably were going over the speed limit, right?
Yeah. Just be honest.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be honest.
registration at all? Oh, yeah. What type of show car is it for what? We use it for different shows. Like right now, we're actually waiting on the show that you guys do in downtown. Yeah. I think that one's coming up next month or a month and a half. But it's just a show car that represents our shop, who we are, who we work with. That's why we have all the logos on it. Right. Yeah. Okay. I'll be right with you, okay? Yeah.
Thank you, officer. Sorry about that, man. I don't like this shit, man.
This is every time for you.
Hey, listen, man. Fuck, man. See, I just said, the crazy part, I just said, like,
you said about the cop.
Yeah.
Fuck. Yeah, damn. Making a turn in there. I don't know, man. That's some shit, boy. And I wasn't even going fast if I went to jail. Goddamn. I don't like this shit, man. At all, man. I ain't gonna hold you, man. What the fuck?
This is your fault, you know that, right?
You can't make this shit up, man.
Oh, I can't even see you.
You got big blurry lens. You gotta wipe your lens off, bro.
You gotta redo that one again.
Yeah, pulled over by the police.
All you.
U-turn though.
Yeah, but it was the takeoff too, though.
It was a
takeoff. I ain't gonna hold you.
Yeah, that shit massive.
You know, the crazy part is I wasn't even gonna do a U-turn. I was going to just take a left right there. But then they said, I was like, nah, let me get up on this car as quick as possible. Type. You know what I mean?
At least we got some good content now.
Oh, man, I prefer not that content, man. I ain't gonna hold you. I prefer not to get that content.
Try to make it bright, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Try to make the situation bright.
Yeah, I feel you, brother.
I hope he gives us a warning, man. It seems like it.
Listen, man, as long as I don't go to jail, I'm cool.
Nah. You won't go to jail for that.
Well, there was another angle, brother. Last time the shit, motherfucker asked me to step on the car. I said, oh, man, here we go.
It's all good, dog.
You know, big PTSD, brother.
Yeah, you might get a ticket because he's training the other dude.
That's cool. I'll take the ticket for you. And that's crazy because I just said, I was like, he was like, man, go down there and spit it. I said, no, I'm cool. I don't want no police.
And it's a bird.
What the fuck, man? You can't make that shit up. What the hell?
It's LA.
That's crazy.
Big thumbnail.
And it's only right that I got damn caught in the damn doing it in a demon, right? It's just like kind of like the El Keezy. Ain't that crazy?
Yeah,
like think about that. It's kind of pretty much like, it's not the demons obviously.
You need to go to church.
And I say my prayers every day, brother. Give the most thanks to God. You know what I mean? So, shit. This is crazy. And the thing is, though, honestly, to keep it real with you, this wouldn't bother me as much. But after the last time I got pulled over was literally what happened to me in Phoenix. Yeah. And they arrested me, put me in jail. No way. I was in there for a tight couple days. Damn. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So for me, right now, and then I wasn't even doing anything wrong there. There was like one time I didn't use my blinker. You know what I'm saying? You can see it on the dash cam footage when it came out, but it didn't warrant how dumb they were acting. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But in this case right here, it's like, okay, that's justified, but
yeah, but
the PTSD though. Yeah. You see what I'm saying? So
my thing is that, okay, we're like 5 blocks out, and now you're gonna stop us and give us. I mean, you're gonna stop us now. Why don't you stop us when we were at the light doing the U-turn? That's the thing that gets me mad in a way that, why didn't you catch me red-handed? Why are you catching me like 10 minutes later?
Right.
That's what gets me mad. In a situation like this.
Because I did do the U-turn, but I ain't gonna lie, I didn't look and see if there was a sign that said no U-turn or U-turn. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
I don't even know there is one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Everywhere in Minnesota you could do a U-turn type. So I didn't even it's just like a habit for me. I didn't even look to see like, oh, is there a sign that says no U-turn or U-turn? Yeah. You know what I mean? So, but
your license from Minnesota right now? There you go. You got this beat.
This is crazy, man.
Yeah, we're thinking 2 steps ahead.
Yeah, see, but me, I'm like, oh, no, I'm wrong. You know what I'm saying?
It sounds like in Minnesota, I could even do it. I could even drift this thing around there. That'd be good. No, I'm just messing with you. But this is me right here. Once, twice a week, getting pulled over.
Oh, I know the feeling, brother. But ever since Phoenix, I've been, hey, man.
Wait, so you get pulled over at least once or twice a week?
Yeah.
You need to make a YouTube channel. You'll be viral. Big millions of subscribers.
Exactly. I should have been done it, man. I have the whole camera gear. I have everything. Gimbals, everything. I bought everything. My camera guy let me down.
Damn.
My camera guy let me down.
You can do it yourself, though.
He quit. Yeah, but when I'm trying to haul ass.
Hey, GoPro right doing such good.
Yeah, I know. But I'm just...
Nah, man, you making excuses.
No. I just like,
Just like how you make an Instagram post, you can make a YouTube post, bro. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Just a matter of doing it.
I was about to say, I just gotta push myself to do it.
So you bullshitting it, in a nutshell.
Basically.
Yeah. The cameraman got me. No, it's you, brother. It's okay, though.
I literally hired a cameraman, took him to Best Buy. He says, get what we need. We need 2 Canons, we need 2 GoPros, we need 2 gimbals, we need this, we need a drone. I was like, I bought no damn drone. I don't even know how to fly one. Let's buy everything else. We bought everything. I have everything brand new. Did a couple of shots, and then after that, he's all like, I gotta leave out of town. And never came back. Okay, whatever.
That's just a wrap. Okay, cool. You just come back with a ticket. Good.
There we go.
How you doing, Chief?
So, gonna get the site for the U-turn where it's posted no U-turn. Okay. But we're just gonna give you the warning for the speed. Okay.
Okay.
You said you were speeding. We're just gonna give you the warning for it. Okay.
I appreciate that.
Basically, all this is you gotta show up to court on this day at this.
I gotta actually go that day.
Otherwise, if you go online and you type in the citation number, then it'll have like a fine. You can just pay the fine if you want.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
Do you have any questions for me?
No.
No? Okay.
I actually didn't even know that was a no U-turn thing. So I'm from Minnesota. We can always make U-turns. Oh, okay. So there's no place where it's like you can't U-turn. You know what I mean? It ain't LA, but right. So I'm not even used to looking for signs like, oh, can I do a U-turn here? You know what I mean? So.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
Alrighty, do me a favor, just sign right here. You're not admitting guilt. You're just going to say you're going to take care of this ticket on or before that posted date.
Okay, cool.
This is your copy. All the information's on the back about how to take care of it. And like I said, the site number.
Well, it's an 840 horsepower vehicle. It's a Dodge Demon.
At this location, or you can go online and do whatever it tells you.
Cool, thanks, man. Appreciate that. And my bad. And you new to the job, being a police, huh?
No,
really? No, you just started now. My brother's a police officer. That's the reason I asked. I know what y'all got to go through to become a cop. That's some tedious shit, man.
Where's he at?
He's in Minnesota. Yeah. So I know how tough that job can be. Though I know y'all get a lot of shit, but I know the behind the scenes stuff. So, and I know, you know what I mean. It can be tough. So no problem. I appreciate you, my man. You have a good day, all right? No problem. You like the Demon?
Yeah, he's all like he rented out an SRT. And he says you just couldn't handle it. You went back and got a little Prius.
What? You know what's crazy, bro? This is nuts. Miguel too. Let's go for Savage Speed, my guy, and Miguel. This is the first time I've been really happy to get a ticket.
No way.
I'm not even holding you. This is like the first time I got a ticket and I'm happy.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
I mean, it's a baby ticket. And
listen, let me tell you, I didn't go to jail.
Yeah.
The cop wasn't power tripping.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, he had a good attitude. You know what I'm saying? Like, I swear to God to you on my life, I'm happy to get a ticket. You know what I'm saying? Like, that tells you a lot about the last experience I had with the damn police officers. Man, listen here, then you gonna go ask me, do I want to go and spit up something? Fuck no. You know what I'm saying? We out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? This is it.
Hey, you don't want to drive back. You don't want to drive back to
Hey,
that.
man, listen here, man. That's a wrap. Let me go ahead and cut this joint. It's over. Miguel, I'm going home, brother. Go home and appreciate my freedom. You know what I'm saying? And my free will to do whatever the fuck I want. You know what I'm saying? When I want, brother. Yeah. Man, I'm out of this damn thing, man. But listen, that's it for this video, man. Y'all caught a whole lot. But boy, oh boy. Talking about Miguel, it's your fault. No, it's playing. Blame you like you blame the damn cameraman. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, this thing about to go up here and we gonna put this thing on ice. It's over for that, man. I know I cut the video short when we got pulled over by the cops and all that, but listen, man, tremendous drive. Obviously left off with a ticket, but yeah, man. Felt like I was driving the Hell Keys to keep it all the way pure with y'all. Obviously it's not the Hell Keys because it's a demon, got a trans brake, all sorts of wild stuff up in there, and he's done a lot to it. But you know, same or similar kind of power what I felt like, you know, when I hit that gas. I got good memories from driving this, and I got some bad ones from being pulled over. Y'all know I got pulled over a lot by Hellcat. And listen, man, crazy day, but all in all, this demon is a pure monster, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and rock my guy Miguel on Instagram, Bros Demon, and I'm gonna also have his detailing Instagram in there, so make sure you click both of those links below and follow him on both, man. Got a lot more videos coming with my guy Miguel. Savage Speed's gonna be up out of here. This is the last time y'all will see him, man.
Damn,
go subscribe to his channel. It's over,
man.
brother. I don't rock with you no more. It's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? I got pulled over with you in the car. Damn, you know, no. Yeah, it's your fault, brother. You brought you up to your Atlanta energy, brother. And then Miguel gonna try to go ask me, hey man, you wanna go fast down the block? And I said, no, Miguel, I don't wanna go fast down the block because I don't wanna avoid that. And it still happened, man. But that's it for y'all, man. Tall guy, I'm out here. See you on the next video, baby. I'm gone.